Welcome. We are here to assist with your buying and selling needs. Have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour? Give us a call today at 706-863-1775. Welcome home to the Glenbrooke 10. An awesome floor plan with a spacious great room, arch openings were available, and a cozy fireplace. Kitchen with granite countertops, level 1 quartz, white cabinets, full tile backsplash, gas stove, white ceramic farmhouse sink, stainless steel appliances and breakfast bar. Breakfast area with tray ceiling. Sunroom with lots of windows with lots of natural lighting, great place to enjoy that morning coffee. Beautiful waterproof Evacore click flooring throughout main living area and in all bedrooms. Large owner's suite with tray ceiling, nice size walk-in closet and ensuite bath. The ensuite bath has separate shower, soaking tub and water closet and dual vanities with cultured marble countertops and framed mirrors. 2 other bedrooms and full bath with cultured marble counters and white cabinets complete this lovely home. A 12 by 12 covered back porch and patio. Closed board and batten shutters. Full sprinkler system, tankless hot water heater, security system. Sidewalk and future pool community. No city taxes. Conveniently located to shopping.